Welcome back to 20 Car. Who said a minivan can't be a work of art, a spaceship, a rolling revolution? The 2025 Honda Odyssey Concept shatters every stereotype, gliding onto the streets like a silent symphony of innovation. Its sculpted silhouette abandons the boxy form of old, replaced by a fluid, wind-carved body with a bold, full-width LED light signature. The Odyssey no longer follows trends, it creates them. Inside, Honda reinvents family travel. The wraparound, AI-powered digital cockpit anticipates your every need, with a panoramic augmented reality HUD replacing traditional dials. Zero-gravity captain's chairs, swathed in eco-conscious leather, offer first-class serenity, while whisper quiet active noise cancellation transforms the cabin into a sanctuary. Beneath its sleek skin, a turbocharged 2.0 liters hybrid V6 delivers 350 horsepower, sending this family hauler from 0 to 100 km height in a stunning 6.8 seconds. Power meets precision with Honda's e-AWD system, ensuring total control in any condition. Key rivals like the Toyota Sienna, Chrysler Pacifica, and Kia Carnival suddenly seem like relics of the past. With an estimated starting price of $50,000, the Odyssey Concept offers luxury without the excess. While its futuristic tech could mean higher maintenance costs, its Honda-built reliability makes ownership a wise bet. The 2025 Honda Odyssey isn't just a minivan, it's a statement. Are you ready to redefine the way your family moves?